Hi, I'm Greg from Pivot Stove and Heating. We've been asked a lot lately about what makes a room seal flue kit a room sealed flue kit. This is a sealing ring. It looks like any normal sealing ring you would find on any normal flue kit. Turn it over and this is what makes the insulated flue kit airtight inside the room. This is the top part of the sealing ring. This white ring here, it looks like a donut, but it's an insulated round ring. And what happens is when you install the sealing ring, you push the sealing ring hard up, tight against your ceiling. And this insulated ring completely airtights the room. So you have no air loss at all coming from up around the sealing ring to be lost within the ceiling cavity. So when you stand back and you look at the installation, you'll see that your sealing ring will look like any other sealing ring on any other installation you've ever done or ever seen. It looks like the sealing ring is sitting down 10 mil, which is pretty well normal on every other flue kit you ever install. This little air gap on the outer part of the sealing ring, all it does is stop any built up heat within that sealing ring to come back into the room. The insulation part of it stops any heat loss or any air loss going up into your roof cavity. It completely seals it at the roof line and it stops any heat coming up, so it's a really cool sealing ring. So if you're looking for an insulated flue kit, you have a 5-star high efficient home or a passive house, check it out. Pivot's insulated flue kit systems, and they're available at any of our dealers right across Australia, but you can check them all online at pivotstove.com.au.